Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Gypsy which is we have completely modified with the Jeepzone Bangalore itself. You can just have a look at this Gypsy. This is completely modified for off-roading purpose. We have upgraded with this Prad bumpers installed in this, and we also have Hella lights installed in this. 2-inch shackles have been installed on this vehicle. Blades reset have been done on this. We have painted the complete all the guards, and also you can just check the vehicle is coming up with 235 75 15 Wanda tires are installed on this vehicle, and Brazilian rims have been installed on this vehicle. This is totally a white one, and Innova Xylo shock absorbers have been added on this. We have installed a Snorkel for a better intake for off-roading purpose. Door hinges have been installed on this. Rockslidders are available. You can just check the complete body line of the vehicle in very much neat condition. Set of 5 tires are coming up with Wanda on itself, 235 75 15, and a brand new Trapple has been installed on this with a better support given on this, as well as cushioning done. We also have installed a tire carrier from Prad, and 5 tires are coming up for empty purpose as well as Brazilian rims. LED lights are available on this vehicle. We also have installed headers on this vehicle. You can just check out these are the headers which have been installed. Shackles have been added both front and back on this vehicle. So you can just check the overview and the complete look of this vehicle. Very neatly done up vehicle. This vehicle is not for sale in Bangalore, and this is made for the customer only on order basis. We have other vehicles also which are coming up for sale on our videos. You can watch them. So I would be showing you the interiors of this vehicle. When coming to the interiors of this vehicle, we have installed a Brezza seats in this, and brand new seat covers have been added on this. Dashboard is the same dashboard we have retained, and we are running with the same 5+1 gearbox. 4-wheel drive is available. Wagner steering has been installed. We have installed this with power steering in this. This is a manual power steering in this. 7-seater weighted vehicle for off-roading purpose. Insurance has also been updated. So all kinds of modifications have been done on this vehicle as per the customer requirement. So anybody who is really interested in having a look or any kinds of build on this Gypsies or any used Gypsies for sales, service, modification, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 98866796117. Ready vehicles are also available with us. Our starting prices will be starting from 4.5 for a basic one, and for modification it would be going up to 7 lakh. So please like and subscribe our channel for more and more details. WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number 98866796117. So please contact us for more details. Thank you and have a great day.